que ir a trabajar porque mañana van a romper más y...
Dime, the gringos, they break a lot of boards, man.
Hey, the gringos break a lot of boards, man. It's good for me.